Hi! I'm really happy we came to this park today.
I'm happy we came here too.
The weather feels perfect this evening.
Yes, the weather is amazing today.
The sunset looks beautiful from here.
I agree. The sunset is absolutely beautiful.
Moments like this always make me feel peaceful.
This park always has a peaceful atmosphere.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here quite often.
I think this is one of the nicest places in the city.
It's definitely one of my favorite places.
Whenever I sit here, I forget about stress.
I feel the same way whenever I visit.
Nature has a way of calming people down.
Nature helps me relax and clear my mind.
By the way, what do you usually do when you come here?
Usually I walk around and spend some time thinking.
That sounds interesting.
I'm glad you find it interesting.
I usually bring a notebook with me.
Keeping a notebook is a great idea.
Writing helps me organize my thoughts.
Writing can help people understand themselves better.
Sometimes I write about my goals.
Goals are important to have.
Other times I write about my daily experiences.
Reflecting on daily experiences is helpful too.
I think writing is a great habit.
I completely agree. Writing is a valuable habit.
Do you enjoy writing too?
Yes, I enjoy writing sometimes.
Lately, I've been trying to improve myself.
It's great that you're working on self-improvement.
One of my biggest goals is improving my English.
Improving English is an excellent goal.
I practice every day.
Daily practice makes a big difference.
Some days are difficult, but I keep going.
The important thing is that you keep trying.
I believe consistency is the key to success.
You're right. Consistency is very important.
Do you agree?
Yes, I completely agree.
I also enjoy reading books.
Reading books is one of my favorite activities too.
Books help me learn new things.
Books can teach us lessons that last a lifetime.
They also give me fresh ideas.
They often inspire new ideas and perspectives.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading history and personal development books.
I personally enjoy self-improvement books.
Self-improvement books are very motivating.
They motivate me to become better. I think learning should never stop.
I agree that learning should never stop.
There is always something new to discover.
There is always something new to learn.
That's why I enjoy meaningful conversations.
Meaningful conversations are valuable.
Conversations help us learn from each other.
They allow us to exchange ideas.
Everyone has different experiences.
Different experiences help us understand the world better.
Listening to people teaches us valuable lessons.
I've learned many things just by listening to others.
I think good communication is very important.
Communication is an important skill.
Many people talk a lot, but don't listen enough.
You're right about that.
Listening carefully shows respect.
Many people listen only to respond.
It also helps us understand others better.
True listening requires patience and attention.
What do you think about that?
It helps build stronger relationships.
Another thing I value is kindness.
I completely agree with your point.
A small act of kindness can change someone's day.
Kindness is one of the most important qualities a person can have.
People often remember how you make them feel.
Even small acts can make a big difference.
That is why I try to be kind whenever possible.
People often remember kindness for a long time.
Of course, nobody is perfect.
That's a wonderful way to think.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Nobody is perfect, and that's okay.
I used to be afraid of making mistakes.
Mistakes are a normal part of life.
Now I see them as opportunities to learn.
I used to fear mistakes as well.
Mistakes help us grow stronger.
Now I see them differently too.
They teach us important lessons.
They help us improve and become wiser.
Without mistakes, improvement would be difficult.
Some of life's greatest lessons come from mistakes.
Do you ever think about that?
Growth would be impossible without them.
Sometimes I worry too much about the future.
Yes, I think about that quite often.
And I remind myself to enjoy the present moment.
Many people worry about the future.
Life moves very quickly.
Focusing on the present moment is a good habit.
That's why evenings like this are special.
Life really does move quickly.
They remind us to slow down.
I completely understand what you mean.
They remind us to appreciate simple things.
Simple moments are often the most meaningful.
Honestly, I feel very relaxed right now.
They help us appreciate what we have.
The fresh air, the sunset, and this peaceful atmosphere are wonderful.
I feel very relaxed too.
I'm glad we decided to spend time here today.
This evening has been wonderful.
It has been a really enjoyable evening.
The scenery is beautiful and peaceful.
I hope we can come here again soon.
I'm glad we came here today as well.
That would be wonderful.
I've really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too.
I would definitely like to come here again.
Let's plan another evening like this sometime.
It has been a memorable evening.